Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the Samsung model and Android version so you know which menu labels to use. This matters because settings paths vary. Once done, charge the phone above 20% and remove any case or magnetic mounts that can block sound. Make sure Bluetooth and wired headsets are disconnected to test built-in speakers. Now open Settings and go to Sounds and Vibration. You're starting the diagnostic process, not guessing which control is broken. Next, press the side volume buttons and tap the three-dot menu to expose media, call, and system sliders. Adjust each while playing audio so you can find the culprit. If volume still misbehaves, restart into safe mode. This disables third-party apps and shows whether an app changed audio behavior. Then run the built-in diagnostics. Open Phone or Samsung members and select Speaker or Sound Test. These steps isolate whether controls, software, or hardware are at fault. To finish, clear the cache for media storage and reset app preferences. This can restore muted channels without losing data. If software corruption seems likely, update the firmware or reinstall the OS using Smart Switch on a PC and make sure to back up first. For persistent low or distorted sound, carefully clean the speaker grill and charging port, then book an authorized repair if needed. If nothing works, try one troubleshooting tip. Test audio using a different user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.